guys, I'm the Naked Barista and I am at the headquarters of the coffee professor, Glenn himself.
That's me.
So thanks for inviting me.
It's a pleasure, mate.
It's been a long time coming. I've been excited to check out his new machine, which he has, the Mill QM67. E61 dual boiler.
Dual boiler.
PID.
PID.
Shot timer right here.
And Mr. TNB, it's also have the stainless boiler, not the copper.
Ah,
so that's the main thing.
That's the difference, huh?
That's the difference there.
No, I didn't know that. Vibration pump.
Vibration pump.
How big is the boiler in this?
It's 1.8.
1.8.
1.8.
It's enough steaming power, I think. Tell me, what's the difference on this one? I heard there's a new modification that you've added on this.
That's the secret there. I think you can see it right in front.
What's this little thingy?
That's the ECM Flow Kit device that recommended by our friend Mark Jackson.
Thanks,
From
Mark.
Whole Lot of Love.
Whole Lot of Love.
Big promotion. As you know, TNB, I love my espresso. So that's the reason I added that one.
That's perfect for shots.
Mm.
So what is your recommended recipe that you're following at the moment?
In fact, it's not my recipe. It's from
Oh,
Mark
Mark.
J. It's the sweet bump, he calls it. So basically, it's extract the sweetness of the bean.
Okay, so the focus on the sweetness.
Sweetness, yeah. So basically 15 seconds half turn, and then quick 5 seconds full turn, and then you ramp it down until you get your desired.
I've never tried one, so I'm eager to try this out soon.
You should.
But before we do that, I noticed this has cup rails.
Yeah.
Not many E61s have that.
And that's
a
also
little sexy feature that's standard.
yes, that's also a main factor.
Yep.
Additional, like for the looks.
And today we're using the Eureka Mignon.
That's it.
It's
the
a-
specialita.
You've been using the SETI for a while. So
Been for a while.
So why the
You recommend
why the upgrade to the
it.
specialita?
I love it so quiet.
Yep.
So no complaint for the wife and the son, and they're sleeping in the morning.
So some secret pulling at night, fluffy grinds.
Fluffy grind.
And I think more so it matches well with Mill.
Chrome.
Boxy chrome looks nice. Yeah, and I noticed there's a little thing here. What is this?
That's a 3D print that I made.
So you're a little bit of a little
I
project
love
on the
I
side there,
love
is
my
it?
3D. If you look at my profile, you see
I
there.
noticed there's some
This as well.
of this stuff, some portafilter holders.
And this one as well.
Yeah, so hit him up on Instagram. He can help you with that. And I noticed there's the team of scales that you have here. You got the Akaya Luna
La Luna. Yeah, that's the name.
and the Barista.
The Barista
What's the exact name?
Smart Scale
2. Okay. To our fans out
To our
there.
fans out there too.
Just to be clear, you know who we're talking about.
I know you like your coffee with milk.
I'm a milk guy.
You're a milk guy.
I'm not really an espresso guy, but tonight is an exception.
Yes, I think you should.
I'll have an espresso today because I'm keen to try this little baby here.
Yeah.
This little flow control. Is it called the flow control?
Flow Control Kit.
Yeah.
That's how our friend Mark Jackson.
So this also fits other E61s,
Correct.
right? ECM's Becerra?
The Becerra, you have to double check.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to get in trouble with my brother.
Okay. Alright.
If
Just
I
in
recommend
case.
it, just in
Just in
case,
case he wants
this
to add it on
fine
later
print, or what they call it?
Okay. Does it come with
The
wood?
mushroom.
The wood?
No, the
No?
wood. I know it's a woody man.
Yeah, he likes his wood. Yeah. Mr. Barista G.
Mr. Barista G. Peace.
But can Mr. Evo get this on his?
Oh, for sure.
Rocket.
100%. Even Mark Jackson has been recommending that for his. If you're espresso guy, but I know you like his milk as well. Yeah, perfect for the rocket.
All right, let's make an espresso. I'll get the coffee professor to make me a tasty sweet espresso.
So you want to taste it first without the profile
That's a good idea.
I
Let's
think-
do
I
that.
think
Let's
that's
do that.
for the fans
At least
out
I can
there.
tell the
You
difference.
can tell the difference.
And I'll be honest, I'm not going to sugarcoat.
You have to, and then you
I'm gonna
can
give him-
complain to Mark or.
Yeah.
Right.
So what are we doing here first?
I'm weighing the portafilter.
So we're tearing it.
Tearing it.
So we're
And
weighing
the
our beans,
recipe
right?
is still gonna be 22,
So 22 grams.
22 grams, and then what? 40 out.
40 out.
40
In
out.
how many seconds?
With this, we'll get it in 30 seconds.
Okay.
But with the profiling later on, basically the time
Longer,
is
right?
is gonna be longer.
Mm.
To taste it first without the profiling. Yes, I ready. Mr. TNB, you happy with that?
As long as you're happy.
Then
He's even got his 3D little tapping station.
landing station
Got the 2-in-1 tamper going.
from Barista Space.
Barista Space.
Barista Space.
So with these, you don't really need to flush.
That's the thing as well.
Dual boilers, right?
The dual boiler.
That's a new little glass that you got there.
That's right, courtesy of
Coffee pots, I
Coffee
think.
Pots. Our friend Pedro.
Thanks, Pedro.
Thanks, Pedro.
Another plug.
Alrighty, let's do this. So this is the normal shot without the profile.
This doesn't sound like a vibration pump.
There you go.
It sounds like a rotary pump. So
Because they're using what they call the Eureka. There you go. 25, 40,
Put a cover on that.
1 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 2.
Mm.
22, 44.
Not bad.
That is the milky guy.
Okay, here we go. So
Hang on.
give a little spoon.
Spoon.
Oh, it's just a ritual. I did this for espresso shots. Oh, it's not bad. I could drink that.
Remember
What beans is
the
it?
ballad.
What beans is this?
Little Italy.
Oh, the little Italy
the little
beans.
Italy beans.
Ah,
Courtesy of our
wonder it
friend.
tasted familiar. Yeah, Adam.
And
I usually have this with milk, but it's not bad.
they're
for
running
espresso.
out. They're running out.
Yeah, I think the professor needs more. Alright, so the next one we're gonna do is we're gonna use the flow control now. So
Yep.
I'm eager to see if there's a lot more sweetness on this shot. This is Mark's recipe.
My recipe, the sweet bump.
The sweet bump.
They call it. They call it the sweet
Mm.
bump. Alrighty, so same.
So same, 22 grams in.
20 grams and into 44 out.
So 1 to 2 ratio.
1 to 2. Because the sweet bump, the key is the first 15 seconds.
Okay. But you're obviously doing with the lower pressure, right?
With the lower pressure.
Yeah.
Right.
Alright.
For our fans out there, Mr. TMD, we're doing the sweet bump. Before I got it in without the setting, without the profile keep working. So now I'll switch it off.
So that's 0, right?
That's 0.
Okay.
That's 0. So according to our friend Mike, the first 15 seconds has to be in the half
Half a
turn.
bar.
Half
turn.
turn.
Okay.
Right, so we put it half turn. Right, and we do the shot. This is very handy there.
So that's the shot timer
That's
there.
the shot timer.
Which is pretty handy to have.
15 seconds.
So that's an 8 bar.
Yep, and then you do a full turn for 5 seconds. And then slowly
Slowly ramp it down.
ramp it down until it. So it's supposed to be 44, but
Mhm.
tan tan tan
Okay.
tan. Drum roll. Teaspoon.
Let's try this again.
Alright.
Cheers.
Cheese.
It does taste different.
Oh!
There is a difference in taste.
Is it sweeter? The palate.
I think the profiles of the beans come out a bit more.
If we use the Little Italy Sweet Maria,
Yep.
I think that will bring the.
Yeah, because that's got a more nutty, sweet flavor, doesn't it? But this one, yeah, it definitely tastes different. It might convert me to an espresso drink. It's better for the belly too, the milk. So there you have it. Flow control, I'm convinced. I wasn't really convinced at this time. I was a bit
It was a gimmicky.
I was a bit skeptical
There
if
you
it's
go,
a
there you
gimmick, but Yeah, there's a bit more flavor in this one. So I think even with milk, this will go pretty well.
Yes.
So you got the whole family making coffee now.
That's right. We're into coffee, and that's our bonding time as well.
Yeah.
Brings
Brings the
family
family
closer.
together. For anyone that is contemplating on getting the Flow Control, I think I highly recommend it. I think if you're an espresso fanatic, you'll definitely love it. You get to play with different types of recipes. After this video, I'm probably going to play with it more with the professor and try different things. So stay tuned. It could be more videos of another recipe we can try maybe. With a bit of milk this time, next time.
Yeah, and we can also try what Mark Jackson is recommending as well to try with this like the leva type of extraction.
Ah, okay.
So,
It's a bit fruity. It's a fruity thing to it. Okay. The aftertaste, not bad. Subscribe to his channel too.
the vlogging professor.
The Vlogging Professor.
Please support both of us, and you're gonna enjoy the content there.
Alright. Cheers.